Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys our famous Afghan rice. For us, we take our rice really serious. Means if we didn't eat rice, we didn't eat anything at all. So let's just show you guys how to make this Afghan famous Palau. For this recipe, we need basmati rice, lamb shanks, chopped onions, rice masala, where you can get this from Asian stores, and also I'm gonna make a recipe from this one. You need some salt and pinch of turmeric. So for this recipe, we're gonna use canola oil. So we're gonna fry our onion. We're gonna saute the onion until it's golden. And it is time to add our lamb shanks. And we're gonna fry these about maybe 5 minutes, make them golden, and then we're gonna add our masala. We're adding the rice masala. It's about 1 tablespoon, a pinch of turmeric, some salt to taste. So as you can see, I just changed my pot to this one. I just want to make my food faster, so I'm using the pressure cooker. So add 2 cups of water and then let it cook for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to make the rice while our meat is cooking. First step, we're just gonna boil the rice. We're adding 1 tablespoon of salt and just let the water boil, and we're gonna come back to it. So we're just gonna add the rice now, and we're gonna only cook it halfway because we're adding the meat sauce. We cooked the meat for 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. We're gonna separate this, and we're using the juice to make the rice. Added the oil, just gonna give it a little stir, everything mix. And we're just gonna add this everywhere. I'm just gonna add a bit of rice masala. And then gently, we're just gonna mix them. We just don't want to break the rice, the grain. So we have to be very, very gentle while mixing the rice. So we're gonna make some holes just to cook the rice better. And also we're gonna add the lamb shanks just on the side so they can all cook together. And I'm just gonna add the juice as well. So I have a clean towel, and we're using this for the rice. The reason I'm using this is because I want the steam to go to the towel, but this towel will help us to capture all the steam. So we it's really tight and really closed. And also bring these up. You don't want to burn it. And so for the first 5 minutes, we're gonna bring the heat to the medium, and then after that, we're gonna bring it back to minimum